Have you ever been so cold that it resonates through your bones? That's how you know that you're not alone. Welcome to Paranormal Playground, where your answers that can be found.
In this episode, the team visited Watkins Mill in Clay County, Missouri. It was established in 1860. For more on the history of Watkins Mill, you can visit their website at www.watkinsmill.org. This is the path that you will walk to get to the house and the mill. The rock stairway there to the left leads you to the family cemetery, where many of the Watkins family members lay to rest. We were allowed access to every building on the grounds. We were told we could bring our equipment and do whatever we'd like. However, they would not grant us a night investigation. And of course, when we showed up, they were having an event going on with hundreds of people dressed in period clothing. A mile or so from the house, you will find the church. Behind the church is the schoolhouse. And across the street from the church is a fenced-in, unmarked grave. We paid a small fee to take the hour-long tour of the textiles mill. Inside, it simply looked as if the employees had left for the day. Everything was there waiting for them to return. With all the wool and the yarn still strung, the building houses all of its original machinery. The tour guide told us that when the mill closed, all of the employees signed their names on the walls. The tour guide also had this to say about the employees.
There were a total of 42 employees that worked here, men, women, and children, so it was entire families. They actually stayed in a row of cabins just that way. It was called Smoky Row. Mr. Watkins liked to, he actually brought in employees from the East Coast as well as Europe, and they were all skilled employees of the textile industry. I wonder how many injuries they had here. You know, according to documents, there were absolutely 0 injuries and 0 deaths, and the reason being is they didn't document that. So we have no idea.
This miniature of the property shows Smoky Row, where the employees' cabins used to be. None of the visitors were interested in this location since there are no standing buildings, so we performed an EVP session and got a response. You should pause. It's easier to hear the EVP using headsets or earbuds. Did you like working at the mill?